Hi, I'm Jack of Upcloud Accounting. Today I'll be sharing with you how Upcloud Accounting works and some frequently asked questions. This will set us up well for our next call to make sure we really get the most out of your time. So grab your drinks and let's get started. Who is this for? If you're a small business owner with 2 to 50 employees, this video is for you. Who is this for? Have a bookkeeper or do your own bookkeeping but feel overwhelmed? Already have an accounting partner but are unhappy with their service. Maybe once in the past year, they have failed to file your financial statements or tax returns properly. Keep watching if that's you. Who is this for? If over the last 6 months, you had an urgent finance and tax concern, and your accountant bookkeeper did not respond the same day. Or worse, you experienced delays in filing your tax returns and critical financial reports. Keep watching if that's you. Who is this for? If over the last 6 months, you felt at least once that you weren't confident that your tax filings or financial reports were 100% accurate, if you sometimes feel like you don't fully grasp your business's financial position because the reports are inconsistent, keep watching if that's you. Who is this for? If you're a small or medium-sized business owner in the Philippines and you see financial management as a key driver of growth, deep down, you know your business can do better and you deserve better financial management, one that empowers you with clarity, confidence, and control over your finances. If that's who you are, this video is for you. Who is this for? If any of these sound familiar, you're not alone. Many business owners like you struggle with the complexities of tax regulations and compliance requirements. I get it. We work exclusively with businesses like yours. Welcome to Upcloud Accounting. What we do is help small and medium-sized businesses streamline their tax and BIR compliance processes by providing accurate bookkeeping, actionable financial analysis, advanced tax strategies. One of our clients, a small business owner, was struggling with taxes and BIR compliance for over a year. They were constantly scrambling to meet deadlines and worried about penalties. When they found Upcloud Accounting, they hesitated at first. They weren't using an accounting system and feared the transition would be too overwhelming. But just 3 months later, they significantly improved tax compliance and reduced their stress levels. Instead of filing VAT returns at the last minute, they now comfortably file 1-2 weeks ahead of the deadline. They finally understand their numbers and feel confident about their finances. What makes Upcloud Accounting different? We're customer-centric. We don't just do the numbers. We proactively guide and support you. We even provide chat groups so you can reach us easily. We're tech-savvy and efficient. We automate processes to save you time, eliminate errors, and increase transparency. We're proactive about your financial health. We don't wait for problems to happen. We conduct initial and periodic checkups to keep your business on track. How do we do this? By integrating with our 3 core pillars: most reliable technology, fast customer service expertise. Just like a stool, it needs all 3 legs to function. Your firm business needs technology, service, and expertise to provide unwavering support to clients. Remove one, and the whole system becomes unstable. Together, they form a strong, reliable foundation that keeps businesses steady, secure, and successful. It's like hiring an entire accounting team for a fraction of the cost. If that were all true, would you be interested to learn more? Continue watching. Now you might be wondering, how does it work? How much does it cost? How long does it take? What do you have to do? What's the likelihood of success? Great questions. Let me break it down. Note that I'm very respectful of your time, so I compiled this video to make it easy for you to watch in your time in video format. How do our plans work? Think of filing your taxes like baking a cake and delivering it to BIR, SEC, and LGU on a regular basis. Maybe before, you had to gather all the ingredients, bake the cake yourself, and personally deliver it, taking up your valuable time and energy. With Upcloud Accounting, you provide us with the ingredients, your financial records, and we take care of everything else, from baking the cake to delivering it on time to the right agencies. But we don't stop there. We don't just deliver. We also check to make sure your cake meets the standards. We'll review and let you know if the documents to be submitted have risks of penalties, missing requirements, or need necessary adjustments. If anything needs fixing, we guide you on exactly what we can do to stay compliant and penalty-free. With Upcloud Accounting, you get a hassle-free, stress-free way to manage your taxes while staying fully compliant. How much does it cost? As mentioned, getting Upcloud accounting services is like subscribing to Netflix. You can subscribe on a monthly pay-as-you-go basis, and then you can upgrade or downgrade the plan depending on your needs. Right now, we can't give you an exact price because every business is different. Just like Netflix has different plans based on what you need, our pricing depends on your current financial setup, goals, and compliance requirements. What we can do is meet with you, understand your specific situation, and provide a customized quote tailored to your business. This way, you only pay for the services that truly add value and help you grow. How long does it take to onboard? Well, it depends on the volume of work, the complexity of your accounting and tax requirements, and the availability and readiness of your document. Typically, it only takes us less than a week to onboard your business. We normally schedule a follow-up meeting within a week to ensure things are on track, and we schedule a 30 and 60-day onboarding check-in to make sure your business is fully onboarded. What's the effort I need to put in? If you do all these accounting processes, it will take you roughly 10 hours a week on average based on our experience. With us working with you, the work for this will only take 2 hours a week or maybe less, spread across your accounting and finance team. This is a two-way relationship. We would need all the needed documents or data sources from you, such as receipts, bank statements, timesheets, prior period tax returns, and financial reports, etc. Then we handle the rest, including 1. Accurate accounting and bookkeeping. 2. Tax preparation and compliance. 3. Financial reporting. It's like riding a car. You give us the fuel, which is the data, and we'll handle the driving to get you to your destination smoothly and efficiently. What are the odds of success? Oh, that's simple. We have a 30-day money-back guarantee. If in 30 days you don't find the value, or if I'm completely lying, you can ask for a refund. We'll even throw in a free tax consultation just for trying. Proof. Just like you, many small business owners struggle with taxes, BIR compliance, and financial management. As I mentioned, one of our clients, a small business owner, faced the same challenges. They were hesitant to switch to Upcloud Accounting because they had tried different accounting and tax services before and already had existing systems in place. But within just 3 months, they saw major improvements. No more last-minute tax filing stress, better compliance with BIR requirements, clearer financial reports for smarter decision-making. Another client cut costs significantly while improving their financial processes, unlocking massive savings and gaining full control over their business finances. Why am I so confident? Because our results speak for themselves. Our clients consistently experience smoother operations, fewer compliance headaches, and improved financial clarity. You deserve the same peace of mind. Now, let's talk about value. With an average salary of an experienced accountant in the Philippines of roughly 30,000 pesos per month times 12 months, that is more or less 360,000 pesos per year. But I will multiply that by 2 to represent the fully blended cost. These covers estimatedly the training cost, government benefits, seminars, and the cost of a seasoned tax accountant to ensure the accuracy of your tax compliance. That is more or less around 720,000 pesos per year at cost. And on top of this are hidden costs. Risk of tax penalty. Tax compliance is a very specialized field. Only a small portion of accounting professionals practice in the tax industry. So, if your account was not handled correctly by a well-experienced tax accountant, a hidden cost of around 30% of your tax due can become a penalty. This penalty can range from 100,000 to over 1,000 pesos per year, and we've seen these hidden costs and penalties punished a lot, business owners financially. So we're here to help you mitigate all that risk, because we've done this many times over the years. The overall value of this service is around 720,000 pesos per year at cost, and up to 100,000 pesos to over 1,000 pesos at risk, which is all roughly around 1.7 million pesos per year in value, to sum it up. but obviously we're not charging you this much. This is just to illustrate the value of our service. When you bundle all of our features and support, the value is typically worth around 1.7 million pesos per year. You do not need to hire a full-time accounting department to get things done, and other accounting firms may offer a done-for-you setup as well, but there is no continuous coaching, no regular email newsletter, no accountability, and no guarantees. But what if there's a faster, easier, and zero-risk way for you to reach a stress-free goal? Join us in a demo call so we can check if our system is a fit for your unique needs. Do you offer a free trial? We do not offer free trials because of overwhelming demand. However, we offer a 30-day money-back guarantee. The only way you can make a fully informed decision is to fully try our end-to-end services, so you get on inside and see if everything we say is true and valuable to you. If it's not for you, no hard feelings. You will then have a clear and fully informed decision that it isn't for you. If you want your money back, you can get it, because I only want to keep your money if you're happy. All you do is email us at consult@upcloudaccounting.com and tell us, "Give me my money." Why do you limit the number of people you onboard? Basically, we only have capacity to serve a certain number of clients at once to maintain a high-quality service standard. How is Upcloud Accounting different from other accounting solutions? It's not just your typical transactional accounting firm. It's the three-part strategy on technology, tactics, and accountability to ensure success in our engagement, and coupled with an excellent level of client customer service to make you feel at ease and confident about your business. How does the pricing compare with competitors? We provide an all-in-one solution with 10 times the value. Others may be cheaper but lack crucial features or support. How do you provide support? Yes, you will have your dedicated accounting team to assist you for your inquiries and concerns. Their availability is subject to their working hours. Our standard response time is within 24 to 48 hours. What are the plans like? Our services are based on the volume and scope of work to be done. You can check our pricing calculator on our website using the link below. Can I upgrade and downgrade plans anytime? Yes, just like a Netflix subscription. What are your payment options? We accept bank deposits, credit card payments, and check payments. We also offer your credit or debit card auto charge using Zendet or PayPal. Next steps, schedule a free discovery call. The best case scenario is that we find out in a 30-minute call that we are a fit. Then we improve your accounting and tax situation and eliminate these compliance headaches fast. Once again, this is Jack of Upcloud Accounting, and we look forward to your partner for growth. Thank you for watching.